Good morning, my dear students. This is our social science class. Today I am very happy because you can see me through this video. Today we are going to learn the continuation of our second chapter, the Medieval India, Resource, Society and Trade. In the last class, we discussed about the agriculture, town and trade in the medieval India. Today, we are discussing about the workshop and social life in the medieval period. Then, let's start. Look at the description. This is the description of Bernier. Who is Bernier? Bernier is a French traveler. Workshops, big rooms where karkhanas function are found in many places. Embroiderers working under a supervisor are found in one room, goldsmith in another. Dyers and cobblers work in different rooms, Bernier. In this description, he explained about the workshop and occupational groups in the medieval period. Look at the picture. Karkhanas were the centers that produced and supplied goods for the palaces of the Mughal king and nobles. Once more, Karkhanas were the centers that produced and supplied goods for the palaces of the Mughal king and nobles. Which occupational groups could be found in Karkhanas? Look at the description of Bernier. Here, he tell about the occupational groups. Which are they? Yes, which are they? Goldsmith, dyers, cobblers and embroiderers. Which occupational groups could be found in the karkhanas? Yes, goldsmith, dyers, cobblers and embroiderers. Then next, social life. Listen to the description about the social life in India by Tavernier. Who is Tavernier? Tavernier is a French traveler who visited India during the Mughal period. Let's see the description. The lifestyle, dressing and food habits are extensively varied across India. Extravagantly, colorfully dressed people and those sparsely clad were also found here. Tavernier. Let me brief it. That is the lifestyle, dressing style and food types are much different across India. People who are beautifully dressed and those not dressed properly. We have some points to discuss based on the social and economic inequality. Let's see what they are. First point, social status are determined on the basis of caste, occupation and wealth. On the basis of caste, occupation and wealth, social status were determined. Okay? On what basis the social status determined? Yes, the social status was determined on the basis of caste, occupation and wealth. Then next point, kings, lords, priests, officers, etc. enjoyed higher social status. Who enjoyed higher social status? Yes, kings, lords, priests, officers enjoyed higher social status. Next point, those who engaged in agriculture and handicraft belonged to lower social strata. Who belonged to lower social strata? Yes, those who engaged in agriculture and handicraft belong to lower social strata. Next point. Each caste had its own customs and rituals. And last point, evil customs like the sati and child marriage prevailed. What do you mean by child marriage? As child marriage is a practice of a boy or a girl getting married at a very early age. Child marriage is a practice of a boy or a girl getting married at a very early age. Then, do you know about sati? What do you mean by sati? Sati is a Hindu practice whereby a widow immolates herself on the funeral pyre of her husband. Now, sati was abolished by law. Then, hope all of you understood this portion. Then, our next topic is India, the abode of knowledge. Look at the description. We, the Indians, can speak any language, but it is difficult for others to master our language. Indians do not go abroad in search of knowledge. It is the people from other countries who come to India. Chess, the Panchatantra stories, and mathematics are the contributions of India to the world. Amir Khusro. These are the words of Amir Khusro. Who is Amir Khusro? Yes, the poet who lived during the Sultanate period. The description says that we, the Indian, can speak any language and it is difficult for others to master this language. The people from other countries visited India and India has contributed her talent in chess, mathematics and Panchatantra, isn't it? Then next, we have discussed Nalanda University in the previous class. All of you remember? We have studied about Nalanda University in our 5th standard. Yes, Nalanda University, a famous educational center. Several educational centers existed in medieval India. Students from different parts of the world flocked to these centers in search of knowledge. The educational centers in Banaras, Agra, Lahore, Kanchi, Madura and Delhi were remarkable among them. Do you know who Bhaskaracharya was? Yes, he was a famous mathematician of those days. Leelavati was his famous mathematical works. Observatories were established in Jaipur, Delhi, Ujjain and Banaras. Do you know what is observatories? Yes, an observatory is a location used for observing terrestrial or celestial events. And last, several texts were translated into Persian. Okay students, this is the end of our 2nd chapter. If you have any clarification about the 2nd chapter, you can contact me. Okay? Then see you in the next class. Thank you.